Welcome students in my channel Mathematics Adda. Students, today here I am with third lecture of chapter number system for class 9th students of CBSE board. Students, today I am going to tell you a very important topic, that is rationalization of denominators along with the conjugate of an irrational number as well as rationalizing factor, that is RF. One by one you try to understand, and then after I will tell you all these type of question how to do. A very big and important worksheet is present in front of you. But first of all, students, you have to know to the concept. Now try to understand. See, as per the name of the topic, it is rationalization of denominators. What is the meaning of rationalization, students? The meaning of rationalization is here to make rational. The meaning of rationalization is to make rational. Now here the topic is rationalization of denominators, means to make rational to the denominator, means we have to convert an irrational number present in the denominator in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and pq are integers. Now students, try to understand. For example, rationalize the denominator of 3 upon under root 7. This is the question here. See how to do. I am telling you. Solution: given a number which is real, this is 3 upon under root 7, and irrational in itself. Here this denominator portion, it is an irrational number, and we have to make to the denominator as a rational number. How we can? Students, I am telling you the tricks of doing such type of the question. Try to understand. See, here we are interested to make under root 7 as a rational number. Well students, still we all are knowing that 7 is a rational number which can be written as under root 7 into under root 7, that is under root 7 to the whole square. In my previous lecture, lecture 5, I have introduced these things, that x can be written as under root x to the whole square, further which can note down under root x into under root x. Well, now here the things is of under root x type present, and if we multiply under root x by itself, we can get a number which will be a rational number. So how we can do here? Solution, look it. If we multiply numerator and denominator of both by under root 7, we get here, this is 3 under root 7 upon under root 7 into under root 7. What it could be? It will be 7. Here this denominator 7 is a rational number. Hence we can say that denominator rationalized, means we are in such stage where denominator of the given number is now a rational number which can be written in the form of p by cube. I hope easily you have got this point. Suppose students, you may take many more questions related to it. See, telling you. One more question, students. Here, if you look this question, root 3 upon 2 root 5. Suppose the question is rationalize the denominator of root 3 upon 2 root 5. Look here. Here root 5 is an irrational number. So 2 under root 5 is also an irrational number. Because you know rational into irrational, irrational. So now solution. See easily how to do. Given under root 3 upon 2 under root 5. See, 2 is a pure rational number while under root 5 is an irrational number. Okay students. Now we have to rationalize to the denominator. See it. If we can solve it in this way, root 3 upon 2 root 5 on multiplying this numerator and denominator by root 5. So we can write in this way. Now why we are multiplying by root 5? Because we know that if root 5 multiplied by root 5, we will get answer 5, which is a rational number. So in such case you have to proceed in this way. Now students, what you will get here? This is root a into root b type. So root 3 into root 5, what you will get? Root 15. And here, you know, root 5 into root 5, what you will get here? 5. And 5 into 2, what you will get? 10. 10, a rational number. Hence we can say that, hence denominator rationalized. Why? Because 10 is a rational number. Okay students, I hope you have got my point. Well, now students, see some more big question based on this topic. One thing I want to introduce here, rationalizing factor. Very important things. See, as in the previous question you have seen that we have multiplied by under root 7 to the numerator and denominator. Here in this question you have seen we have multiplied to the numerator and denominator by under root 5. Now, question can be take the place. What is rationalizing factor? So now, rationalizing factor, telling. Rationalizing factor, inside we will write RF. Rationalizing factor. Try to understand. In first case and second case. I means in first example and in second example. See, in first example we have multiplied numerator and denominator by under root 7. So, in example first, rationalizing factor, it is what? Under root 7. And in example second, here we have multiplied numerator and denominator by under root 5. So, rationalizing factor, it is here under root 5. I hope all of you are satisfied. So, what will be the rationalizing factor? By which number we will multiply to the numerator and denominator, that number is called rationalizing factor, or that factor is called rationalizing factor. I means such a factor which is taking the place to convert an irrational number as a rational number, that factor is called rationalizing factor. I am giving you the definition here. You try to see it. See students here. Definition of rationalizing factor. Definition very important. Rationalizing factor. RF. Such a factor which is used used to make rational to the rational to an irrational number in all these questions present in denominator called rationalizing factor, called RF, that is rationalizing factor. Okay, you have seen in the previous two question. Well student, now I am going to tell you another important topic, conjugate of an irrational number. Very important topic, conjugate of an irrational number. So conjugate of an irrational number. Try to understand student. Very important. If a number is of the type under root, this is here a plus under root b, then its conjugate. Remember always. Here I am saying remember always means you have to remember. Remember always. Conjugate of a plus under root b is a minus under root b. The sign of middle term will get changed. Now conjugate of a minus under root b, it will be a plus under root b. Second point, conjugate of under root a plus minus under root b, it will be under root a plus become minus, minus become plus. This is always remember students. Also if you have the things like under root a plus minus b, then its conjugate will be under root a minus plus under root b. Here remember, plus converted in minus, minus converted in plus. So it means, for example, if you take an irrational number 3 plus under root 2, then what will be its conjugate? Telling. Try to understand. For example, conjugate of 3 plus under root 2 is what? 3 minus under root 2. Second, conjugate of root 2 minus root 3, it will be root 2 plus root 3 and so on. You may take also another example, conjugate of under root 3 plus 5, it will be under root 3 minus under root 5. In this way I hope students all of you have got the meaning of conjugate. Well, one very important points you can get by multiplying a given irrational number by its conjugate. One thing for your information student I want to tell you, as you are looking, this is an irrational number, this is also an irrational number, means conjugate of an irrational number is always irrational. Remember, conjugate of an irrational number is always irrational. Very important point. Well, second important point student I want to tell you here. Try to understand. What is it? I am telling you. See, suppose student we multiply, important point, suppose we multiply a given irrational number by its conjugate. Conjugate of irrational number, result always come a rational number. See, result always come a rational number. So this will be a rational number. And student, our main topic is rationalization of the denominators. Means we have to make rational And here, to a given rational number, if we multiply it by its conjugate, very easily we are getting a rational number. It means our work is going to be complete with the help of conjugate of a given irrational number. For example, students, say we have taken here root 3 plus root 2. This is an irrational number. Its conjugate will be what? Under root 3 minus under root 2. If we multiply both, what we will get here, student? It is of the type a plus b into a minus b. What we know? A square minus b square. This is an algebraical identities. So here we can note down root 3 square minus root 2 square. And well, student, since we know that root x to the whole square, what is it? It is x simply. So what we can get here? This is root 3 square, it is 3, and root 2 square, it is 2. So 3 minus 2, it is 1. A rational number. So this is the logic over here. If we multiply a given irrational number by its conjugate, the product will be always a rational number. Keeping this concept in the mind, we will proceed to solve all these type of the problem. Very easily we can solve this problem. One by one you try to understand. Okay, I am telling you very important points. See students, here to type B question, type first I have explained clearly. Now rationalize the denominator of the following. This is the question here. Rationalize the denominator of the following real number, or you may say irrational number. Here it is 3 upon under root 5 minus under root 2. This is the question here. We have to rationalize the denominator of this. Second question here I am giving you 2 minus 2 under root 3 upon under root 3 plus under root 2. This is the question here, students. We have to rationalize the denominator of these given irrational number, or you may say real number, because you know all irrational are real. Okay, solution. See one by one I am telling you. Solution of first given under root 3 upon under root 5 into minus under root 2. See, we have to rationalize the denominator. I means we have to make this irrational number as a rational. And now it is irrational. We have to convert as a rational. How we can convert? In such cases, go through with the help of conjugate multiplication. Here, process, go through with the help of conjugate multiplication. See easily. Now, see here, it is 3 upon under root 5 minus under root 2. Here, note here, conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 2 is what? Under root 5 plus under root 2. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 2. So now on multiplying numerator and denominator by conjugate of under root 5 minus under root 2, that is under root 5 plus under root 2. See, so what we can note down, student? Look it, 3 upon under root 5 minus under root 2, its conjugate is what? Under root 5 plus under root 2. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both. Now easily see it. Here this is a rational while this is irrational. We will write as it is no need to do the work. Actually, we have to do the work over denominator. Here it is of the type, this is a minus b, a plus b. What it could be? A square plus b square. So point out here, this root 5 square minus root 2 square. What you will get here? 3 times root 5 plus root 2 upon root 5 square, it is 5, root 2 square, it is 2, 5 minus 2, it is 3, a rational number, hence denominator rationalized. This is now complete. I hope students, all of you are getting this point easily. Is it clear, student? Well, in the same way, students, we will solve this question also. See how I am telling you this one also. Try to understand. Suppose one may ask to you that rationalize the denominator of this number and also write the RF rationalization factor. Also to find out the rationalization factor RF. See how to do. Telling solution. Try to understand. Given number, it is minus 2 under root 3 upon under root 3 plus under root 2. See students, how to do. Telling you easily. Try to understand. This is, so how we will proceed? Now we will proceed with the help of conjugate of this denominator. What will be the conjugate? Since we know that Cj, that is conjugate of root 3 plus under root 2 is what? Under root 3 minus under root 2. Because I have told you that conjugate of under root a plus under root b, it is what? Under root a minus under root b. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both by the conjugate of this denominator. So on multiplying numerator and denominator both by root 3 minus root 2, we will get here. Now see, numerator become minus 2 root 3 times root 3 minus root 2. See, actually we have to do the work mainly in denominator, so no need to get disturbed or simplify to the denominator. So what you will write here? Easily as it is. Now it is of the type a plus b, a minus b. What do you know? A square minus b square. So it is root 3 square minus root 2 square. What you will get here? Minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus root 2 upon 3 minus 2. It is 1, a rational number, hence denominator rationalized. And one more thing, in the question it has been also asked, write the rationalizing factor. And rationalizing factor, what is rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor is root 3 minus root 2. It is that factor which is responsible to make an irrational number as a rational number. I hope it is clear to all of you easily. Right, students? Okay. Now, student, with the help of these concepts, the concept number first for single step of irrational number and second for 2 or more than 2. Now, next things, I am going to tell you some other type of the question. You try to understand. See one by one. Remember student, this is the very important topic. Its application you can see in all the classes, all the senior secondary classes also. Suppose students, you have to do this question. Here, type C. If under root 3 plus 1 upon under root 3 minus 1 equal to a plus b under root 3, find a and b. If 2 plus under root 5 upon 2 minus under root 5 equal to a plus b root 5, find the values of a and b. See how to do such type of the question? I am telling you. See, from type C question, if 2 plus under root 5 upon 2 minus under root 5 equal to a plus b root 5. Find the values of a and b. Question, are they rational? Means we have also to check that a and b are rational. If these will be rational, we can convert it in the form of p by q easily. See it here. Now solution, how to do? Student, no need to get worried. How to proceed? As you have proceed in the previous question, in the same way you have to proceed. Suppose this is the question in front of you. What to do? You have to make rational to the denominator. By the same logic you have to proceed. So solution here, let this is equation, let 2 plus under root 5 upon 2 minus under root 5 equal to a plus b under root 5. Let it be equation number 1. Now to this left hand side expression, LHS, I am going to solve here in front of you as we did in the previous two questions. This here, how to proceed? Proceed with the help of conjugate multiplication of denominator. What is it? 2 plus under root 5 and multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 2 minus root 5, which is 2 plus root 5. So 2 plus root 5. What we will get here? See, if you look clearly to the numerator, you have a condition like a plus b, which is providing you as a plus b to the whole square, and here a minus b, a plus b, which will give you a square minus b square. Keeping these two algebraical identities in the mind, we will try to solve. This a plus b to the whole square, I means a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2a for 2 and b for root 5 upon a square minus b square means 2 square minus root 5 square. Simplify, what you will get? This 2 2s are 4, this is 5 simply, and this is 4 root 5 getting divided by 4 minus 5, which will be minus 1. So what you can note down? Minus times minus 1, simply it can be treated as minus, and this is here 5 4 9, this is 9 plus 4 root 5. So now after simplification, AS, after simplification we get, AS stand for after simplification, we get minus time 9 plus 4 root 5 equal to a plus b root 5, and multiplying by minus, inside the bracket we get minus 9 minus 4 root 5 equal to a plus b root 5. What we will get here? On comparing, see, similar type of the things present in both sides. Actually this is equal to this. It is only then possible when the value of a will be minus 9 and the value of b will be minus 4. On comparing, we get a equal to simply minus 9 and b equal to simply minus 4. And see, minus 9 minus 4 both are negative integer, and all negative integer are rational. So this a and b both are rational, both are rational. So here in this question it has been asked find the values of a and b. So the value of a and b are minus 9 and minus 4 respectively. And here, are they rational? Yes, both are rational. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay students, now see some more question. Try to understand. Look easily here what it has been given. In this question, suppose this is the question, if x equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, find x plus 1 by x. If x equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 to find x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. One I will tell you, another you have to do. See how to do easily. If you look clearly, 1 by x is reciprocal of x. All of you are knowing it. So how to find out 1 by x? Easily you can. Solution given x equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. First of all, students, you point out this is an irrational number. If any times you see the denominator as an irrational number, always proceed with the help of rationalization of the denominator. So here, on multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugate of root 3 plus 1, which is root 3 minus 1. Now simplify, what you will get? Here a minus b, what you will get? You will get a minus b to the whole square, and this is a plus b, a minus b. Repeatedly I am writing. Reason behind it, it is important for the practice. See, so a minus b to the whole square means root 3 minus 1 to the whole square upon root 3 square minus 1 square. A minus b to the whole square, you know the formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what you will get here? A square plus b square minus 2ab upon this root 3 square, it is 3, 1 square, it is 1. What you will get? Root 3 square, it is 3, 1 square 1, this is minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Simplify, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. If you see clearly, 2 is common in numerator. Take 2 as a common, you will get here 2 minus root 3 upon 2. 2 to 2 get cancelled. What do you have? 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus root 3. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. Okay. So already you have been given this is x now. So 1 by x will be what? 1 by x will be, I am telling you. It is 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Again you see this is an irrational number. So go through by rationalization. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. What you will get? Easily. This is 2 plus root 3 upon this is a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. What you will get? 2 plus root 3 upon 4 minus 3. It is 1. So simply what do you have? 2 plus root 3. Now student, you have to find out x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Easily you can find out. See how? Tell it. So now x plus 1 by x, you know x is what? Root, here x comes 2 minus root 3 and what is the value of 1 by x? It comes 2 plus root 3. Now open the bracket, you will get root 3 as a cancel. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4. Similarly you can find out x minus 1 by x. Now find x minus 1 by x yourself. Your answer will come there at, it will be what? If you will simplify easily, 2 minus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3, you will get as, you will open the bracket, you will get it, this cancel, minus 2 root 3 will be your final answer. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to my all students. Now students, some more question I am going to tell you. You try to understand. Here in this way I have discussed all these things. Try to understand some more things over here. Okay, suppose this is the question we have to do. Very important question. Try to understand. Solution of this first one. Simplify. So simplify, it means further how much we can simplify. So you look here. the denominator portion is an irrational number having two terms. How we can convert it into rational number? With the help of rationalizing factor and rationalization. So we can proceed in this way. Given, try to understand, given 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3 upon 3 under root 2 minus 2 under root 3. What will be the conjugate of this? Conjugate of this will be 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3 upon this. So we have multiplied to the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this. This is the conjugate of this, right? So here we have multiplied. Now student, see, this is 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 2 root 3, 2 root 3. This is of the type a plus b, a plus b. So what do you have? A plus b to the whole square. Here a minus b, a plus b. What do you have? A square minus b square. See how to proceed? As we have proceed, there right in the same way we have to proceed. So now see, it is of the type a plus b to the whole square. We can note down a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2a for 3 root 2 and b for 2 root 3 upon a square minus b square. What it could be? 3 root 2 square minus 2 root 3 square. See easily. Square of 3 it is 9, square of root 2 it is 2. 9 2s are 18. This become 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. This become 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 under root 2 into under root 3 it will be under root 6 upon this is here 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 minus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12. Simplify. 18 plus 12 how much? 30. So it is 30 plus 12 root 6 upon 18 minus 12 it is 6. See, in numerator 6 is common. Take 6 as a common factor. You will get 5 plus 2 root 6. It is 6. 6 to 6 get cancel. Now what do you have? 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the simplest form of this. Is it clear, student? I hope all of you are perfectly satisfied. Now students, here are some more questions. This, how to do this? How to do this type of the question? I am going to tell you clearly. You try to understand. Now, see. See, solution of 2 student. How to do this type of the question? Telling given root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 minus root 5 plus under root 5 minus under root 3 upon under root 5 plus under root 3. Students, if you look clearly to this question, here one important points you are getting. What is it here? See, whatever the things it is present here, the same thing is here. And whatever the things here, it is here. In such cases, student, no need to go through by the rationalization of denominators directly. We have a shortcut tricks for it. What is that? I am telling you. It is the condition like this. X upon y plus y upon x. So in such cases, how to proceed? Easily. This is x square. This is y square. X square plus y square upon x into y. If you will proceed by this way, very easily you can get your answer. See, telling you. What you can note down? This is root a plus root b same as root b plus root a. So both are same. Root 5 plus root 3 to the whole square. And this is here. If you take here minus as a common, what you will get? Telling you can get minus and here it will be root 5 minus 3 to the whole square. Or you can proceed by your base. See, here we have taken minus as a common, or you may take minus here as a common. See, I am telling you. If you take minus here as a common, you will get under root 3 minus under root 5. Is it clear? Okay. So now proceed. What you will get here? This is root 5 plus root 3 to the whole square. This is minus here, root 3 minus root 5 to the whole square upon root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Easily you can solve it. See how you can solve, I am telling you. See here, this is root a plus root b to the whole square. Easily you can a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 root 15 minus a square plus b square minus 2 root ab upon here a minus b, a plus b. What you will get? A square minus b square. So what you can get here? This is 3 minus 5. Simplify. 5 3 8 plus 2 root 15 multiplied. 5 3 8, it will multiply by minus, you will get minus 8 minus minus plus, it is 2 root 15 upon minus 2. This has been cancelled. Now both are like term, will get at 2 root 15 plus 2 root 15, 4 root 15 multiplied by minus 2 to the 4. Answer is minus 2 under root 15. Easily you can solve such type of the problem. Editor, another ways of solving the same problem I am telling you students, you try to understand. See what is another ways to solve the same problem. Actually your problem is of this type, root 5 plus root 3 upon root 3 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 3 upon root 3 plus root, this is root 5 minus root 3. This is the problem. How to do? Telling you. Instead of proceeding by shortcut, you can go through by rationalization of the denominator. See how you can tell it. See student, directly root 5 plus root 3 upon root 3 minus root 5. What is the conjugate of this? Root 3 plus root 5. So we will multiply numerator and denominator both. Clear? And then after here it is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 3 plus root 5. What is the conjugate of root 3 plus root 5? It is root 3 minus root 5. We will multiply numerator and denominator both. It is up to you. Okay. Now simplify here. This is a minus b, a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. Now simplify, get your answer. Telling. Easily try to understand. This is here root a plus root b plus root a. It is root a plus root b. So easily it will be root 5 plus root 3 to the whole square, and this is what? Root 3 square minus root 5 square. Plus it is root 5 minus root 3 minus root 5. One thing students, remember b minus a is nothing but it is minus of a minus b. So if we take minus common from here, this can be treated as minus of under root 3 minus under root 5. So instead of writing plus, we will write here plus into minus, minus, it becomes root 3 minus root 5 to the whole square upon root 3 square minus root 5 square. Is it clear student? Okay. So now what you will get here? Easily telling you, this denominator is same. What it could be after simplification, denominator portion root 3 square minus root 5 square, it will be 3 minus 5, it will be minus 2. So by writing here minus 2, easily we will simplify to it. I am telling you here, remember one thing students, if really you are the student of mathematics, remember one thing, a plus b to the whole square minus a minus b to the whole square, it is always what? Here it is 4ab. Remember this is the formula, and one more formula I am telling you, a plus b to the whole square plus a minus b to the whole square. It is 2 times a square plus b square. So what you will get here? See, it is of the type a plus b to the whole square minus a minus b to the whole square. Don't get confused. Root 5 plus root 3 treated as root 3 plus root 5 because b plus a is same as a plus b. ba is same as ab. So what you can note down here? You can note down 4a for root 3 and b for root 5. So this is root 3 into root 5. 2 2s are 4. This is minus 2 root 3 into root 5 root 15. This is the answer, and same answer we have got in the previous method. Is it clear? Okay. Now the last thing I am going to discuss, try to understand. See student, what is it here? If x equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 and y equal to root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, to find x square plus y square and x square plus xy plus y square. How to find out? Telling you. Try to understand. Easily, you have been given x, you have been given y. If you look clearly, this is the condition x square plus y square. Easily we can find out. Two ways. Either you put the values here and then simplify, or first simplify then put the values. It is up to you. So now I am going to tell you. Note